Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure your watch is compatible and paired, because the ECG feature needs Series 4 or later and an up-to-date watch OS. Once done, open the iPhone Health app to complete simple setup steps and enable ECG. Make sure the watch sits snug on the wrist you select. Loose contact creates noise. Now position yourself seated with your arm on a table so you can reach the digital crown comfortably. This is the first actionable move toward a clean reading. You tap the ECG app on the watch and confirm the wrist setting. This aligns electrodes for accurate sensing. Once ready, rest your forearm on a stable surface and use a fingertip from the opposite hand to touch the digital crown. Do not press hard, just a gentle contact. The watch will record for 30 seconds. Stay still and silent during that time because motion and muscle noise distort the waveform. When the countdown ends, the watch analyzes rhythm and displays a classification immediately. You should review the ECG classification and add any symptoms you felt, because context helps your clinician interpret results. Once saved, open the Health app on your iPhone to export a PDF of the tracing and share it via message or email. If the reading shows artifact or fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Dry and clean the skin, tighten the band slightly, reposition the watch on the wrist, and if needed, restart the watch before repeating the 30-second test to improve signal quality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.